this is the MAC Eye Prep Warm set that I purchased at Ulta for $49. It comes with a full-size single eyeshadow in the color Wedge, and I've swatched that on my arm. That is after 2 dips into the pan, I believe. If you can see it there. It also comes with the MAC 217 brush. Now this brush was a little bent from the packaging when I received it, and I just sprayed it with some setting spray and just kind of kept working with it until it straightened out. And it also comes with a full-size Prep and Prime eye base primer. And this is a 3-piece set. Oops. I haven't used it yet. I just received it yesterday, but I will do updates after I use it. But yeah, and this also comes in another set, and it just has a different color eyeshadow. That looks to be a shimmery color, and this is a matte color. Thank you for watching.